Hi Crafty Friends! Today we're going to do a quick unboxing from, this is my first time using this company. It's called Oraloa. I think this is in French and this is in Spanish. Pintura con diamantes. And so anyway, let me tell you what happened with this one, guys. I ordered this one on, I wrote it down, June 14. And I received it on June 21st, so it took basically 7 days. It was pretty quick. They deliver from France and Canada, and they sell licensed artwork, which is nice. And they also have a reward program. They sell a little bit of everything. They have diamond paintings, mugs, wax, trays, also drills and storage containers. Well, the case, I think they have 2 different kinds. And also you can get 15% using the code, well, you get 15% off a discount if you use the code Oraloa15. Okay, now when I received this, guys, I shook the box and it sounded like something had spilled. It sounded like when you shake maracas, and I was like, oh my gosh, I hope it wasn't the drills. Yeah, it was. But anyway, it came with this. It came with also with this here and this little card here. So it says, thank you, merci, gracias. Let your creativity sparkle, www.oraloa.com. Okay, the island of arts. It's on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Okay, so anyway, so it was wrapped. When I opened the package, they must have just put a bag of drills. It was 310 and it was all over inside the box. So I basically let them know that when I got it, the 310 had opened and it was all over the brown box. It was very hard. I picked up as many as I could and I put them in here, but I did contact them and I let them know, and they responded. So great customer service, and I just basically let them know so it wouldn't happen again. So to other people, because it was not pleasant trying to pick up all those. I even tried picking them up with a spoon. It was hilarious. That day, actually, I did it in the kitchen, and guys, my kitchen sparkled everywhere. There were drills on the floor, on the island. Yeah, it was very entertaining. It was fun. Okay, and it also came with this. Came with a very pretty washi tape. Pretty cool. I like that. See that? Isn't that pretty? Pretty cool. And it came with a little cover reminder. It says Oraloa. So it looks like a little dolphin playing in the water. And again, I think a card, and there's also some stickers in here. Okay. So you got a Hawaiian flower and the tiki bar. Very cool. And of course, their card. Okay. So let's open up this baby, guys. I hope everyone's doing well today. And here in Texas, it is 98 years, 98, I was say 98, the temperature, and I said 98 years old. It's 98 degrees, which is actually cool. Yeah. Okay, because I think it's going to go up to 105 or 106 during the week, but it could change. So who knows? All right, so this, like I mentioned before, this is my first time using this company, Oraloa. First thing is I'm touching here the canvas, and it feels very, very, very nice and smooth, very soft, very nice, like the canvas. All right, which one did I get? Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, let me just unroll it first. So we got the drills in here. I guess these are the instructions. Okay, let's see. Yep, the Oraloa diamond painting chart. Just the instructions, step by step, which is nice, and it comes in different languages, which is very nice. This is the toolkit. Let's see what's in here. Let's move this aside. Let's see what's in this baby. Come on. Okay. So you got a pen, if I can get the tray out. It's one of those days, guys. I spilled also glitter all over me. I have glitter all over my shirt and pants. Butterfingers today. Okay, so it comes with a nice tray. It comes with wax, 3 of them. Oh, wait a minute, it comes in here. It was open, which is a cute little container. Okay, and then got a placer. I think this is an 8 placer for the drills, the pen, for the grip. I call these a scrunchie, but this is for comfort for your hands. And of course, a very sharp tweezers. Okay, the usual, guys. All right, let's move that aside. And of course, it came with a washi tape and the cover minder. And this is her, Hannah Lynn, heart on her sleeve. Isn't she gorgeous, guys? She's so cute. Okay, and it comes with the stickers. They're pre-cut, which is nice. So you have to do is peel it off and put it on your container. And then I guess they give you extras, which you can save these for another occasion. Okay, very nice, nice and big. These are the drills. Put the drills on the side, and let's look at this beauty. All right, let me see if I can, since it's very soft, let me just do this, guys, very quickly, so I can try to flatten it a little bit. This is what I do with the with others, with like Diamond Art Club. It's very soft. Okay, and then voila, much better. Look at how beautiful she is, guys. Look at that face. Blue hair, which I love blue hair. One of these days, I keep telling my husband, I'm gonna come home with blue hair, blue or pink hair. Why not, right? And then let's see. Looks like she's got flowers. Let's look at the picture again. Where did I put the picture? Oh my gosh, I had it. Oh, here it is. It's on the floor. Excuse me, guys. So let's see. Yeah, so it looks like she's got a butterfly and a bottle, like a potion with a tag and some hearts. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so this is actually a butterfly on her head. And I guess this is the bottle. Maybe it's a love potion with a little tag. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I just love all the blues. You guys know how much I love blues. She's got blue highlights. She's got those beautiful blue eyes, cute little mouth, and a little tattoo heart on her face. And then she's got hearts coming down. She's got a very pretty shirt on. And then she's got a tattoo on her arm that says, "Love me." Just adorable. Very clear, guys. Wow. Okay, so it's Hannah Lynn. It's by Hannah Lynn. It's a 66 by 47 centimeters, which is 25.98 by 18.50 inches. Okay, and it tells you Oraloa on the top, and it has a picture on the right hand side, and it's called Heart on Her Sleeve. And then it's got the legend on the left and on the right. All right, let's see how many colors this baby has. She has 38 colors, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs, guys. Wow, I love that. She's gonna be super shiny. Let me bring her up so you can see how clear this is. My gosh, you see that? Very, very clear. Let's see how sticky it is. Oh yeah, it's very shiny. Very nice. This is pretty thick paper. That's very nice. All right. Well, let's look at the drills here. Okay, so far I'm very impressed. So let's see if I can get this open. And as you can see, I am not going to take all of these out, but we all know it that she has a lot of blues. Lots of blues, lots of pink. Well, some pink, some peach, some yellows. But let's take out the let's see, are these the 33? Wow, this is the AB. There's a lot of 33. This is another AB. There's 5. We counted 5, right? Okay, I see these are all ABs. All right. Let's move these like this so we can see these colors better now. Ooh, that's sage. I love that sage. It's like a dark and a light sage. See, look at all these pretty blues. Lots of blues, guys, which I love. Okay, now let's look at the ABs. So there's 4 of these. All right, let's put these in order actually. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 33 goes on the top. So let's look for these babies. Okay, let's see. So the first one is 33, which is 4 bags of this, and it's this symbol. So it's the black, it's her shirt. So you're gonna have ABs on her shirt. ABs basically all over her hair. The lines, you see that? Of black. It's gonna be around her face, around her tattoo, around her arm, and her hand. Very cool. Okay, so we got 4 of those. Let's leave that there. And then you have 34. It's like a little spiral. So it's pink. Let's see. So you have some on the heart. You have some on her lips. Some on her tattoo and her face. Not up there. So this is like scattered. It looks like it's on the hearts. So let's put that one there. And then you have this one. And this is A. Wherever you see the symbol A. So you have some also on the heart. All on the hearts. Some on her lips. Okay. And then the next one is F, letter F, which is the yellow right here. You have yellow here. You've got F here, yellow on her sleeve. And you have some, oh, let's move this down. Yellow over here on the tag, and some on the butterfly. Okay, wow, this is going to be beautiful, guys. And this is 37, and 37 is the symbol lowercase t. So let's see where this is. Let's see, it's on the butterfly. Some on the butterfly, some on the bottle, on the love potion. Okay, and then this is the last one, 38, and 38 is the check. It's just a check. So wherever you see a little check right there on here in her face, some on her eyes. Oh, her eyes are going to be super shiny. Got some over here, and some out here around the love potion bottle. It's basically scattered everywhere. So that's about it, guys. I can't wait to start this one. She's absolutely lovely, and love her blue hair like I mentioned before, and she's gonna be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and bye-bye. Take it easy.